This is a MegaMaxx Pro industrial workbench and mobile packing station too. We use it here in our factory to print orders for pallets and pack boxes of roughly about this size. We've had a very nice flap on the side that allows you to have a comfortable working height to make the boxes. We built this to help us with a problem we had where we like to move the cart outside on sunny days, where we'll package our larger outside product outside right where it's needed. Rather than bringing pallets into here, we'll take this outside. This did start life as a wooden homemade cart made from pallets, which we'll show you now, and then you can see it turned into this fantastic product once we knew where we wanted things to be. So we have a range of 40 different attachments which fit into this, ranging from drill holders to document shelves to paper roll dispensers, and we use this to hold our A4 documents, which are our customer orders. They slot in there very easily, and you can see it's very modular. Places underneath for XL4 boxes, and a handy shelf at the bottom we use for shrink wrap. So we do make this in the UK, and we do have it in a wide range of colours, and we have another one in our factory which is actually purple, and we're going to go see that now. So this is a purple one we use for doing our express pack packaging. We have the leaflets in boxes there, the orders go there when we have them ready, tape, bin, knife and pen. Everything's right where it's needed. It makes our job easier, and if we want to move anything we can do that too. So check out the full range on our website, and you're going to see we offer this in a very wide range of colours, and we hope you love this product as much as we do. Thank you.